Nakikita ko siya yung minamasdan. Alam ko nais.
Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry! Ito na po. Oh! Ah! What the hell? Help me! I'll help you. What? No, 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 no! Help!
George, let's go. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Mukha ba akong okay? Ayan, may kakagawan yan. Yung lalaking yan. Excuse me, I saved your life. Kung di kita tinulak, di sana nalalapnos na yung balat mo. Yes, he's right. He saved your life. So, kinakampihan mo si Eman, ganon. No, wala akong kinakampihan. Wala akong kinakampihan sa inyo. So, please, George. Eman, I'm so sorry. Sorry talaga. I'm so sorry, Eman, okay?